Thursday ako nag-post, Friday night kami nag-decide, Monday agad ako nag-free webinar. So, in just a matter of 3 days, ay ang bilis, 'di ba, ang bilis. And then when you speak, 'di ba, after nun marami pang mga good feedback. Why? Kasi, they feel that I expressed so much knowledge. I shared so much knowledge with them. And from those 27, nakakuha ako ng 3 students dun, which is 3 students of mine right now. Borrowed audience, 'di ba? So, sabi ko that all and from there, that is just my very first hand raiser content, 'di ba? And continually nagpara-grow ako ng mga content ko. I've gotten a lot of new network, new friends na naka-attract ko na sila. Yung isa sinend ko lang siya ng friend request, just a mere friend request. Siya naging profile ko, in-invite ko siya sa call tapos nabentahan ko rin siya agad. Sabi niya, "Dude, I like what you're doing. You gotta teach me this." 'Di ba? Wala akong sinabi sa kanya, nothing I said, is just she saw my posts, my series of posts. Tas yung isa rin in-invite niya ako because simply they see my post and that is the power of the hand raiser content. You attract the right people.